Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. State government moved the Ministry of Home Affairs to address the concerns of 83 families in Rongara Siju constituency. Over 2,400 school buildings were constructed, renovated and restructured in the last 5 years, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. Shillong police registered a case against unknown miscreants who attacked on Rinja police station. Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan launches a kiosk banking of Blossom CLFP Women Cooperative Society in Myra. And Das Milton Nongrum and Island Grace Karbangar will represent India at IFMA Youth World Muay Thai Championship in Thailand. The news in detail. The state government has moved the Ministry of Home Affairs to address the concerns of 83 families in Rongara Siju constituency who have been pushed to the Bangladesh side after the erection of the border fencing. Informing this, Cabinet Minister and Rongara Siju MLA Rakam Sangma said the border fencing has pushed the 82 families into no man's land, since they are neither on the Indian side nor on the Bangladeshi side. He said that the border fence is to be constructed 150 yards from the zero line, but most of the fence has been erected between 150 to 500 meters inside Meghalaya. He said Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has been made aware of the situation and he is taking it up with the central government for a solution.
Because why? About 83 number of family from my constituency is towards the Bangladesh side. About 83 number of family from Rongara Siju constituency is behind, outside the Indo-Bangla fencing. They are neither Bangladesh nor Indian, but they are our Indian citizens. So we are moving to the Home Ministry to do something for relocation or paying compensation, but we are waiting for the ministry to reply.
Education Minister Rakam Sangma has acknowledged the gaps and lacunae in the education sector, while admitting that a lot is required to be done. He accepted that there is a challenge in infrastructure, but said over 2,400 school buildings were constructed, renovated and restructured in the last 5 years. He said all government colleges received a new building, adding that the department got sanctions for 3 colleges and funds for the renovation of 44 SSA schools. He requested everybody to shoulder their responsibility and urged the MLAs to double their efforts. Meanwhile, the state government has completed the process of selecting the Vice-Chancellor of Captain Williamson Sangma University and awaiting the governor's consent for the appointment.
But in last 5 years, more than 2,400 schools building has been constructed, renovated and restructured, number one. And number two, all the government college has received a new glorious building. What college, like, so, and also look, under PM USA, we have got sanctioned crore for 3 colleges right now. Yeah, so with regards to the Captain Williamson State University, so we have already completed process for appointment of the Vice Chancellor, and we have sent a file to the Honorable Governor Office, and once the Chancellor, being the Governor, approve the proposal, and we will be able to issue the appointment order to the selected candidate for the Vice Chancellor of the State University.
Shillong police has registered a case against unknown miscreants who threw a kerosene bomb at Rinja police station recently. This was the second incident in recent times when miscreants targeted Rinja police station and hurled a kerosene bomb at the entrance of the police station. East Khas Hills SP Sylvester Nongtnier informed that a case has been registered and investigation is in progress. He said that the police will surely get the culprits in some time. No arrests have been made in this case so far.
1 year recruitment 1 year training and 1 year probation, then at least 3-4 years we will get those posts. Oh yeah, that is of course that we have been perhaps maybe that police station is a little bit in a corner, maybe or I don't know what is the reason, but we have registered a case and investigation of case is on progress. So definitely we'll get the culprits in due course of time. No, the case is still initial stage. We have registered a case, and the investigation is still on progress.
Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan visited Mairang on Friday to launch the kiosk banking of Blossom Cluster Level Federation Pindeng Umyong Women Cooperative Society, which was held at St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang. The launch of kiosk banking will help the members of the CLF, SHG and the village organization to withdraw money through this bank without visiting other banks. The meeting was also attended by BDO Mairang Smiti L.R. Hinyota, Assistant Commissioner Eastern West Khat Hills District L. Mirthong, CEO of MSRLS Shillong Ronald Kinta, among others.
Karena berkenhun, kapan ilam nanti, berkenhun, kapan perat nanti. Andai kami ini dalam ditan, andai sekiwai Jakarta, hangi dan Donald Kenta, nanget ikam tep kambha, yekiwai pat kini Federation kum kini, kibang sok kilang duna bha. Ada state ke jomno, kerana kumba asfa artunyo, bahasa ke Eastern West kita tangkap lagi tadi.
The NPP has denied allegations of misusing the state machinery for the Gambegre bypole, claiming that the development works taken up by the government in the constituency have been wrongly portrayed. NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma said that they are undertaking projects in every nook and corner of the state, not only in Gambegre. When asked about the timing of the developmental works, he said he could explain better had the accuser been specific about his allegations.
People to support. We can no political party can force people to support. A foot of the neighbor looks always testier because he is looking from the other side of the fence. Right? So maybe the way we are moving ahead is faster. People are coming back to the NPP. People are supporting. We are getting tremendous support from the people of Gambegre now. Maybe, I don't know. Election is always a challenge, but maybe what the parliaments, I don't know. But
Shillong Police has detected as many as 1,700 odd cases where vehicles were using tinted glasses in Shillong in the last 2 months. East Khat Hills SP Sylvester Nongtnger said that following the Supreme Court of India judgment which prohibited the use of black films of any percentage visual light transmission VLT on the safety glasses, windscreens, front and rear and side glasses, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorous checking against the use of black films. The corps detected 1,788 cases, realizing a fine amount of 13,35,000 with effect from July 1st to September. Nongtnger informed media persons as per the directions, only ministers and MLAs are allowed to use tinted glass only in their official vehicles.
Has prohibited the use of black films of any percentage visual light transmission on the safety glasses, windscreens, front, rear and side glasses. Therefore, in order to uphold the direction of the Apex Code, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorously checking against the use of black flames and thus detected 1,788 cases and realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September.
An exhibition displaying the collection of Shillong Records Collection Centre, SRCC, and the books of renowned author and former Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, late L. Gilbert Shalai, was held at St. Anthony's College on Saturday. The SRCC was established in September 8, 1974 by late Shalai, and the centre will reach its anniversary milestone on September 8, 2024. Present at the event were late Shalai's family, friends, well-wishers, students. Shalai has written a number of books such as Hima Kasi, A Brief Note on Sixth Schedule, Delightful Shillong, Talawiar U Sopat Beneng, and many other notable works. Vestige Exclusive Women Empowerment Program WEP 2.0, organized by Mistral of Milan, was held at the District Auditorium, Tura on Saturday. The event celebrated womanhood and aimed to inspire and uplift women from various walks of life. Sanjeet Kundu, Zonal Sales Manager of Vestige Marketing Private Limited, spearheaded the event, which included motivational talks, interactive workshops, and sessions on key topics such as women's rights, financial independence, and leadership development. The program emphasized education and self-reliance as pillars of empowerment. Following an eviction drive conducted by Assam authorities to remove illegal shops and houses at 15 Mile in the Assam site, it has been reported that the displaced settlers have allegedly encroached upon the Meghalaya site, setting up shops without permission from local village authorities. Upon learning of this encroachment, members of the FKJGP, including leaders from the Birni Hut Circle and the FKJGP 15 Mile unit, conducted an inspection. Lumlang Maunai, Senior Vice President of the FKJGP North Khasi Hills District Unit, and Kitbor Sutting, Organizing Secretary of the FKJGP Birni Hut Circle, led the inspection. The FKJGP has expressed serious concern about the situation and has urged Meghalaya village authorities not to accommodate these settlers.
Lami kajumpa nak kalian kesukar Assam telah kendrai kini kedukan kini kibasong bean jika nak kalian juga Assam but kini pat ni kini ki barjala kini awan bentur kini kadong bakathan kini ka senong kajungi kini kalian kajungi kum unit minum highlight ya kini kiba wan bensong bean yang kini kedukan oh ini mentah kilas sedang adon kibasan tu kali kedukan kilas sedang bensong bean kini jaga kini area kajungi kini kalian kajungi kini highlight ya kini bincang kini kalian kajungi kum bola betah nak circle.
The Entrepreneurship Development Center of Kiang Nangba Government College, Jowai, hosted a second Entrepreneurship Awareness Program yesterday at the Multipurpose Hall. The event was sponsored by the North Eastern Council Shillong and organized in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati, as part of a project to establish and manage entrepreneurship development centers in educational institutions across the Northeast region. Renowned entrepreneurs SK Lato and Elat Sutting, members of the EDC's advisory board, served as resource persons, sharing their expertise with participants. The Dorbash Nong Umsao Nongkarai extended support and best wishes to two young athletes from the village, Das Ngautngen Nongrum and Island Grace Karbangar, who will represent India at the IFMA Youth World Muay Thai Championship in Thailand from September 11th to 21st. The event held today was attended by A. Sun, headman of Umsao Nongkarai, as well as the coach Tony Shilla, secretary of Umsao Nongkarai, and other village members. Both athletes expressed their enthusiasm and confidence, citing thorough preparation for the championship. Secretary Tony Shilla offered his encouragement and extended support to the athletes, urging other youth in the village to follow their example.
Kalau kemudian kita ambil praktis ban push sejinjok untuk isa pintu penikahi jangan untuk yo ikhlas kot cua tu yo ikhlas kot le ong thot tas ne ini ong thot tas ne lek kaina untuk ban oi lek kan
She practice sun dan di baje do prabaje prashte.
10 badminton players from West Jaintia Hills District representing the West Jaintia District Badminton Association have been chosen to represent the state of Meghalaya at the upcoming Northeastern Zone Interstate Badminton Championship in Guwahati from the 7th to the 10th of this month. Among these players, 4 are in the senior category and 6 are in the under-19 category, including 2 female players. To motivate and inspire these players, the West Jaintia District Badminton Association held a brief meeting to congratulate them on their achievements and participation in this championship. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 27.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 72%, while in evening was 70%. Forecast: light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at a few places. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. State government moved the Ministry of Home Affairs to address the concerns of 83 families in Rongara Siju constituency. Over 2,400 school buildings were constructed, renovated and restructured in the last 5 years, says Education Minister Rakam Sangma. Shillong police registered a case against unknown miscreants who attacked on Rinja police station. Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A. Jasenkan launches a kiosk banking of Blossom CLFP Women Cooperative Society in Myra. And Dasnotlan Nongrum and Island Grace Karbangar will represent India at IFMA Youth World Muay Thai Championship in Thailand. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do tune in again with us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.